Yesterday I went to Target. Isn't that how all basic middle class American mom stories begin? With interesting finds at the dollar. It's not the dollar spot. Stuff isn't a dollar there. There's like maybe a couple things that are a dollar there. It's mostly $5, three and $5. Okay, let me just show you what I picked up because cup games and a ping pong ball. Yes, this was $5. Shot ball game. We're gonna play these. It's just called Tabletop Game because they couldn't come up with a more interesting name. It looks like Flip Cup to me. So, and then you got your what is this? Basketball game. All of these say 6+. I mean, basically I feel like these are drinking games, right? I live in a university town. I live near Clemson, South Carolina, and Clemson University. And I hope all the college kids pick these up for milk and soda and water games. What are you doing? Jojo is interested in the games. All right, let's play. I probably am gonna play these with my 5-year-old, even though it says 6+.
Are you ready?
Yep. What? I wasn't even looking. Oh, come here, help. I bet it won't happen again. You ready? All right, go first. Woo! Okay, so then when it goes in, we take it off. Woo!
How did I get that?
You did a great job. Well, hold on, my turn now. All right, your turn. I didn't get it in.
That one gave me good luck. Not that one.
Hold on.